Please welcome back the home team, Kerry FC.
Hi all and welcome to the second half of the game between Kerry FC and Finn Harps. Again, Friday night. And the tunes are playing here. Referee is out for the second half.
No substitutions at halftime, Ken, I don't think.
Not that we've been told of anyway.
Would you believe it? I had my first cup of tea at halftime of the season since February. Never had a chance for a cup of tea. But there we go.
Finn Harps to kick off in the second half.
You need to know that, I know, yeah. Yeah, hoping for a bit more entertaining second half, of course. Bit tough at times there, a lot of play in the middle third, so hopefully the game might open up a small bit and get a couple of goals in this one.
Referee just ready to go. Jesus.
As the music goes off and the second half gets underway. Kerry playing right to left this time round. Trying to try them. Try to get the comment going. Leo Gaxa on the ball here. Back to Martin Coughlin. That's well cut out there by the number 42, Max Hutchinson. Clock has gone to 90 now, Ken. They want us over and out. Yeah. We'll take the nil-all draw and we'll head away home. It's a throw in now to Kerry FC. Ethan Cost. We'll get the comment up and running again shortly.
I just had to get my FBI contact to try reset it for me. Because we'd probably get a text message saying it's gone to 90.
Started. That's a good ball in. Oh.
Again, Kerry have come out in the second half.
Oh. Offside.
Offside, yeah.
Often Mayor with the comment, but we can tell you it's 2 minutes into the second half. Kerry with the opening spell of possession. Leo Gaxa being caught offside. Seems to come out with a bit of a strapping on his left arm, Leo. Didn't spot that in the first half on his elbow. Hopefully that's nothing to be worried about from our captain this evening. As the Harps goalkeeper Rory Kelly on his debut pushes everyone forward into midfield. Up goes Ethan Cost. Good header by him. Ryan Keller getting pulled back, nothing given on that occasion there, and Finn Harps win the ball back as Ethan Cost clears again. Ryan Keller, he's all over him, but Ryan gets the ball away to Sean McGrath, who plays it to Rob Vasu, a bit short, and he gets caught by Ryan Flood, who gets it on the far side, but his touch goes out over the sideline, and Samuel Alzanusi has it up very quick again, and he's going to throw it in here. It's Keane Barrett up, Ryan Flood again with the clearance, back to Samuel Alzanusi, bit of pinball. Leo Gaxa challenging the air. So the ball's in the midfield again, and Martin Coughlin is fouled. He fouls.
Oh,
So a bit of retaliation in that. It's Sean O'Donnell down. We have a Sean O'Donnell and a Sean O'Connell, so a bit of confusion on both sides of the coin tonight. Ryan Flood moves forward again. Plays a poor pass. Rob Vasu cuts that out. Looks up to find Sean McGrath in the middle, who pumps the ball forward looking for Leo Gaxa, who's rushing past their number 77, of course, who's Scott Water. As Ken fiddles here to try to get the Comets sorted. Ball's in the middle of the field with Harps again. Thumb forward. It's a chance for Finn Harps on the far side. Rob Vasu trying to defend him outside, pushing him out. Well done, Rob Vasu. who's defended well. It's clear back to Flood. Flood on the ball now on the far side. It's their number 26. That's their captain, Tony McNamee. And we're underway on Comet. Ken is smiling.
Yeah, my FBI contact.
Oh, good touch. That's a good chance. And geez, very well cut out by Ethan Cost in the end. But gee, that was a chance that opened up for Jamie Watson there. But no goal on this occasion as Leo gets a touch. And he's pulling them all over the place. There's a couple of times now he's been at him. Gaxon now, lovely ball to Ryan Keller, who's onside. He takes the touch, swings it in, and it's Sean McGrath. Oh, what a save by the keeper. It was straight down his throat, but still had to get the save on it and got the arm to it. And a fantastic save by the debutant for Finn Harps in the league, of course. Rob Vasu with the ball again. Poor pass to Sean McGrath, and that's easily cut out by the other number 7 on the other side. But Samuel Andalusi does well. It's Ryan Keller, but he's well challenged and the ball's clear. But it's best chance of the half so far.
Yeah, and Kerry come out and started very, very quickly. He's probably got a thought. Oh, what a ball. Sean McGrath is taking the touch. Is he going to go? Oh, he's played into... just played into Leo Gaxa there. Leo Gaxa still has it. Leo's just slowed it down. Sean O'Connell, we've got 4 men in the box. If we can get a cross in. Leo looking to shoot. Oh, it's just hit him. And again, Billy's probably given these lads a good talk and just said, look, you know you can, you know you're better, you know you have to up your pace, and these lads have answered it now, and the crowd are getting behind Kerry FC. Just Finn Harps slowing it down now.
It's the start that Kerry FC would have wanted, Ken.
Yeah, and again, just come out in the second half, play with the wind now, and up your tempo that little bit, and we create chances in the first couple of minutes there. Again, it started like that in the first 10 minutes in the first half. It was all Kerry FC, and then it went to Finn Harps. So let's see what happens.
That's the way they want to come out in the second half and prove Finn Harps are down here for a game.
He's what? How many whistles?
Martin
That's
Coughlin.
Another whistle.
He'll book him now, I'd say.
Balkan.
Well, no, he hasn't taken the card out, Ken, no.
He
has now.
2 centre midfields on yellow cards. And again, Billy's out was taking in the area, just having that word with the fourth official. Free kick now, just inside that Kerry half. And Finn Harps plays a short to McNamee. And now McCallion, long ball in, looking for Ferry.
In behind.
Ferry on the chest, looking for the ball again. Ball's coming in, but Sam has cleared that. Ferry on it again.
Flood is this 7? Flood.
Yeah.
7 and 27.
Yeah. We know Ferry with his bleach blonde hair. That's how we know. Flood. Yeah, Ferry. Sorry, it's Flood.
Flood with the hair.
27 is. 7,
I can see where you get confused, Ken. It's Friday. It's been a long
week.
week.
Easily confused. Yeah.
You gave me your fight. I was giving him the wrong name. Okay.
Yeah. They're both in the box now. Flood and Flood. Oh, goal! Goal by Flood. 8 minutes into the second half, and it's a goal from Finn Harps.
Goal Finn Harps scored by number 7, Ryan Flood.
So it's Finn Harps 1. Kerry FC now.
Yeah.
Took his goal well.
We took the goal well. No, in fairness, you can have no complaints from our side of the house here. And Finn Harps take the lead, so it's time for Kerry now to bring the game to them.
And I think that the first goal was crucial in this game. And again,
And the high press now by Finn Harps again.
yeah. Kerry looking to keep possession this time. Well
Make
done.
the field nice and big now.
Yeah. Well, here's where the experience comes in. Now they'll try run down the clock and do. Oh, Ryan. Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
Footing Sean O'Connell. Oh!
It's gone through his legs.
Oh, it's unlucky. Could have fallen nicely for Ryan another day. Martin Coughlin. Kerry ball.
Yeah. Kerry Wall, yeah.
Here's it for
Martin
Sean O'Connell.
and Keane Barrett just have to be careful because they're on yellow cards. So, and this game is a tough affair. So, Leo Gaxa has a shot, but it's just gone.
Well wide.
Again, it's unlucky from Leo. But again, this is what we're saying. This is the experience now. Jogging out to get the ball, taking the time, wasting down the clock now. Joe.
So there's Leo with his elbow strapped up a bit. Hopefully, there's nothing to be worried about going forward. He's strapped up at half time.
Yeah. Didn't see what happened in the first half for that. But look.
No, it's felt it from somewhere. As the kids give Rory Kelly a tough time.
Shot. Oh, handball.
It's the handball there, ref, shorty. No, I didn't see it.
He's giving it. It is Ferry on the ball this time. Yeah.
Now, chance for a break. Pushed on Martin Coughlin.
Yeah.
Give a quick shot.
Leo
McGrath's
gets
running. It's well defended.
Again, it's
No way, ref.
See, Martin Conklin has to be careful.
Has to be careful.
You know, has to be very, very careful.
Just disappointing. Didn't think that was much in it.
Yeah. But
seems to make the most of it.
But again, that's one. If he gets another one, then it's you're gonna have to look at maybe
to Matt Keane or someone in the middle.
Yeah.
Ronan Tehan maybe might make a difference in this one. He's one of the lads out warming up along with Graham O'Reilly.
Yeah.
Graham, Ronan and Matt Keane out doing the stretches.
And Ryan Keller. Grey skies overhead. Looks like it's it.
Heavens could open on this beautiful July evening in the kingdom. We've had a very wet and miserable one down here, but sure you.
Kevin Williams.
Yeah, well, no need to just get rid of it on that occasion. Yeah. It's gone into the nettles. Shane Guthrie gone getting the ball there, and Shane be well seen in his orange top and and his green bobblehead.
And it's going to be a long throw in.
Great ball in.
Pushing. Pushing, yeah. He's looking to take it quick.
Christopher Bowker watching Eaton Coss in North Carolina. So, of course,
two changes coming. Graham, 3 changes coming for Kerry FC.
He'll keep me busy, and you busy in the comment as well.
Yeah, I've done Sam.
Keane Broston coming in as well. Yeah, Keane Broston, Ronan Tehan, and Matt Keane, the 3 about to be introduced.
Brozzy was very good when he came on against Ringmanton. Was the architect of the 2 goals. So Martin Coughlin looks like Keane Barrett, probably because he's on a yellow card, and after that it could be Sean McGrath or Leo Gaxa coming off. Ball's going to be put into the box. No, he's decided against it. Rob Vasu, he's got by 3 of the Kerry players. Kevin Kevin Williams has cleared that. Oh, the bounce of the ball again. That's the bounce of the ball. Ryan Kelleher holds it up there. He's got Ferry. Ferry has won the ball back. Flood. Sorry. Flood and Ferry. I apologise to all the people in Ballyvoe.
I leave you get away with 2 of those, but the third time you're out,
yeah,
I'm just going to plug out the microphone.
Yeah. Just mute me,
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's Kevin Williams into the book.
No, Sam, is it? There's Kevin.
It's Kevin, yeah.
Kevin.
Sam is wearing the Under Armour.
It's 15 minutes gone. It's Kerry FC 0, Finn Harps 1. Corner. Free kick, coming in from the Flood, putting the ball into the box. Header again. Hold on. We've Eaton Cost down injured. It was Scott Warra that won the ball in the air. And Eaton Cost is down holding his head. Ooh. The ideal to make the 2 changes, I think. As the Finn Harps guys go over and get a bit of hydration into it.
Seems to be waiting for the substitutions as Jonathan Anderson goes out to warm up as well. Maybe might be a small change in Billy's plan of his 3 subs.
Yeah.
So break and play would be the ideal time to bring them on, but you might wait to see how Eaton's up, yeah.
He's okay. And here's the substitutions now. I don't know why they didn't do them while he's on the ground, but that's probably a rules thing as well. Brian, if you pick out the rule book, you've got 19 leaving for 8.
Substitution for Kerry FC, leaving the field number 19, Martin Coughlin. He's replaced by number 8, Matt Keane. Also leaving the field, number 22, Cian Barrett. He's replaced by number 23, Ronan Tehan. Also leaving the field, number 3, Sean O'Connell. He's replaced by number 28, Cian Brosnan.
So we got 3 substitutions. We got Cian Brosnan on for Sean O'Connell.
4, do we?
4?
No, Ethan Costa's coming back inside.
Yeah. So Cian Brosnan in for Sean O'Connell. The 2 lads, Cian Barrett and Martin Coughlin, were on yellow cards, so they have come off there for Matt Keane and Ronan Tehan. So well done. Oh, Neary came off there for Watson, but unlucky from Finn Harps. They looking to kick the ball long. Oh, that's gone on to that second fail. Good clearance. Ball looking there. Eaton Cost looking for the ball there, just to get things running.
Did we not win here last week, John, no? Did we not win here last week, no?
Say that again?
Did we not win here last week, no?
Yeah, I'm talking about the league though.
You didn't say that.
They did it last time.
Long throw in by Eaton Cost there. Well done, Leo.
They gave that one and didn't give the other one. Anyway. Always the decisions go against you when you're behind.
Again, there'll be loads of energy from Ronan T and Matt Keane in the centre of the park. Keane Brosnan's gone to the right side of midfield.
Kick straight to Rob Vasu.
Yeah.
Was a bit of time.
Rob's tried to take him on and the ball's been taken off him.
Good ball.
Here's my buddy Ferry. On the ball.
Or is it flood?
No, it's Ferry. Definitely.
What's it still in?
I won't make that mistake again. Yeah, right. There's that
Go on,
little
Ryan.
drag by Ryan.
Well
Ryan
done.
to Gaxa.
Now,
Gaxa
2 on
needs to
3.
play it. Needs to play it. He needs to play it. He's gone,
Well done,
gone
Leo.
around the houses. Ball.
Ah,
Think he needed to play that to Ronan Keller again, but Leo tried it by himself and it's gone out for a goal kick. And again, there's nothing between them in this game. It's just one goal there from Finn Harps. That's what we were saying at the start of the game. These teams are clinical. Once they get in, they score and it's
linesman doing nothing on the far side to help him out there on that occasion. Don't think that was a foul. But it's the Harps free on the halfway line. Goal to 0 down here. 20 minutes into the second half.
it's the flood on the ball.
Imagine we'd have another clear-cut chance or two anyway, you'd hope. Ah, ref. But that's a yellow card now.
Kerry looking to play it quick. Sean McGrath onto Tehan.
The pressing by Finn Harps has been very impressive.
Yeah, been very good.
Oh, that's late. That is late, ref. It has to be yellow, minimum. And Lee Axworthy is out as well. It's a yellow for Sean O'Donnell. So this is where your lines are now and your fourth official have to be watching what's going on here, because there's a lot going on off the ball. Look, it's still going on. Look. If Finn Harps has fallen out with each other, that's what you like to see. So Di McCallan came up to tell Patrick Ferry to calm down. So I missed who got booked. So I think it was it was Tony McNamee, the captain, got booked. Number 26.
Yeah.
Right, nah. Unsportsmanlike conduct is just the go-to on comment, isn't it?
That's what I was told by my friend Ray Matthews, and, referee. So he said that's what you put down, unsportsmanlike conduct. So that's what I'm instructed to do.
You're not going to get blamed for anything else.
If you want, I can go through the reasons with you, but be here for the night.
So list the length of your arm. But anyway, the yellow card was given, no matter what it was for.
And then I think Lee had a rush of blood to the head there, did he?
He came out defending his player. He's passionate about the club already.
Well done, Sam.
Made his feelings known.
Here, Finn Harps go again. Ball into the box. Good ball in. Oh, he's just missed it.
They just missed it on every
Good,
occasion.
good ball into the box, and he's telling him, he's saying what a ball in, and he's just missed it.
Getting this up for Finn Harps here as well.
Sean O'Donnell there, just missed the ball.
So, looks like we double substitution introduced for Finn Harps, but not at this moment in time.
Ronan Teaton just shadowing O'Donnell.
Pink boots.
Yeah. Oh, what a ball in.
Oh.
Well done. Well done, Eaton Cost there. Good block for Kerry. Lee then looking to kick it quickly.
Good ball.
Jeez,
It's another push in the back.
Ball
That's a
gone.
Kerry ball.
Very physical team, Finn Harps tonight.
Substitutions coming on.
Hold on. Sorry, lads, we used to do our administration here.
substitution for Finn Harps, leaving the field number 20, that's Sean O'Donnell. He's replaced by number 19, Billy Banda.
For 20. So Billy Banda is on for 20.
The second substitution is number 27, that's Patrick Ferry leaving the field. He's replaced by number 28, Aaron McLaughlin.
So all their administration is done.
All that done and dusted. Pick up the microphone again as Ethan Cost hands over the throw. See a couple of more chances for Kerry FC in this one. We haven't had a major chance to threaten the keeper yet.
And I don't know what's happening there, but the Finn Harps manager giving out to Ferry there. Whatever was done.
There was a bit of the handbags there at the end. He was involved in all that.
Maybe, I don't know.
Ball hand down by his side. Couldn't give that. Sean McGrath seems smothered every time he had the ball down with that high press. Just doesn't give you breathing space.
They've worked hard on that. Will it tell coming into the last 10-15 minutes? They brought on a couple of substitutions to keep that going, and they might get 2 or 3.
The sunset's hard to our right hand side here.
Yeah.
But I think the shadow is not affecting the pitch, but it's setting hard here.
Ronan Tehan.
Lovely little ball forward, yeah. And Ryan Keller, well picked up. The wind blows a gale.
He needs a hand there.
That's
it.
It's a throw into Kerry FC.
And Sam will probably come over and throw this long into the box and see can we get our heads around it. If we can't get the first ball, we might get the second ball.
Toger out warming up as well.
Yeah.
Graham O'Reilly out there as well as Sam launches it. Oh, it's
headed clear by Finn Harps. Ronan Tehan's looking to recover this.
Yeah, Ethan Cost is with him. Oh, just diving in like. Ethan Cost, our Californian, formerly UCD parish.
Long throw in by Ethan Cost again. Looking for Kelleher. But it's well won by Finn Harps, and it's good defending by Finn Harps. Back in by.
It's a bit of head tennis.
Yeah. Yeah, and now it's coming in. Yeah, Ethan Cost will win that. Well done, Ethan. And Sam will play it. Rob Vasu then.
The pressing is just phenomenal.
Yeah, it's tough. It's very, very tough. And even there, Billy Banda there is going after him, and Rob is quick and Billy is quick. So it's
balls out. Throw into Kerry FC. They get the ovation from the crowd. They think this could be the spell of the game to Kerry on top. Which we badly need now. It's just unlucky. Just a touch. So. Subs are back on the bench, so no substitution imminent. To make a triple sub, of course, already for Kerry with Matt Keane, Keane Brosnan, and Ronan Tehan all introduced.
And we've been camped sort of in the Finn Harps half this
ball.
This half. Makes any sense? Yeah.
Last couple of minutes anyway. Yeah, no, it'll just be important for Kerry to get a couple of shots and goal. I'd like to test the keeper before we get out of here this evening.
Right, as we say, it's his debut tonight, and we don't know what he's like. He's had one very good save. Here's Tehan. Tehan strikes. Oh, good defending by Finn Harps there.
Blocked.
Yeah. Warner again.
Oh, some pace.
McLaughlin
who's just on.
McLaughlin has a shot.
Deflected. Well done, Lee Axworthy.
And Billy Banda's in.
After just no need for it. Banda just collides with Lee Axworthy. Oh. Uses the wind to his advantage. He sets one down to Sean McGrath. Yeah, it's Brozzy rather.
Yeah. Ronan Tehan. It's just knocked up in the air, and that's.
Oh, Leo's going to put pressure on though.
Meat and drink for the Finn Harps defence. We got to be smart when we're playing them balls up to Leo. Do you know? And again, looking for that ball from McLaughlin. But Alex
flow through to Axworthy.
Call him Alex again, yeah. The Axe, yeah.
The Axe. Right. Shove you over in the bed a small bit.
Yeah, sorry.
No social distancing rules anymore. No. Oh, it falls to Ryan Kelleher.
That's the man you want
to Leo.
It.
Good ball. Brozzy. Oh.
Just wide.
Good chance.
by Kerry. Good chance. Ball crossed in by Leo Gaxa. And then good glancing header by Brozzy, and it's just past the post. And again, as we said, Kerry are come out in the second half. Unfortunately, they've conceded a goal, but they're trying hard to get it back again. According to comment, we're 73 minutes in, so roughly about 20 minutes left for Kerry to try get an equaliser, and not to be biased for Finn Harps to seal this victory by maybe another goal, but the goalkeeper's got him.
Handball.
A little bit of madness. Oh, ball's gone over. These goalkeepers, you have to be a little bit mad. I think he's giving out to Eaton Cos.
Well, it didn't go in. It's a goal kick.
Yeah. And he's still at it.
It's a chance for Finn Harps at the fumbling at the back, but all's well that ends well from a Kerry point of view. It's a goal kick. As Axworthy launches one down again with the help of the wind.
Yeah, it's over every.
Come on, ref!
No, referee hasn't given anything. We're sorry for the bad language in the background. Sorry.
That wasn't me or Ken.
No.
The man shall remain nameless.
Yeah.
Ryan Keller knocks one forward, but too much on that one.
There was more for you than that.
But it was, look, it's disappointing there. I thought it was a guaranteed free coming.
I think, again, it's...
went in hard on him.
I don't know, was the referee unsighted there because there was 3 or 4 of them around him?
If the referee's unsighted, he's got 3 other officials here tonight with him that can have the eyes for him. There's 8 pairs of eyes, and we've got 2 pairs, and we called it. So, look... And ref can't get on with it.
Yeah. Well done, Brozzy.
It's Leo again on his own inside there.
Well
done, Leo.
Well done, Leo. Eaton Cost.
Yeah, Sean McGrath now.
Sean McGrath's going to run with this ball. Plays it down to Mark.
Switch it.
Keane looking to play in Ronan Tehan.
He's onside.
Well done, Ronan.
Well done, Ronan Tehan.
Well done, Ronan. It's just been taken off him again.
No one kind of helping him up there.
Wara has it. Oh, yeah.
Well done,
something.
Oh, ref. He's pulling him, ref.
Yeah.
Sure.
You're not going to get them.
What you're up against.
Yeah. It's been a physical game all through the game. You're not going to get
Ronan Tehan since though.
Decisions.
I'm happy with that.
Finn Harps asked to hurry it up, but
he'll be no major panic to throw this ball in.
Yeah. And that's where the experience comes in.
But see, the refs have to blow in the whistle already to tell him to hurry up. Now you see, this is where we go.
Now he's booking up. Unfortunately, he's booking him now. And again, I think it's 77, is it? So Wara. No, Wara, I think, is it? Yeah. So Wara. Ball's nearly come in the window again on the other side. Long throw in by Eaton Coss. Looking for Leo Gaxa. Ryan Keller. Or Leo has it. It's good that well defended by Finn Harps. And again, Eaton Cost pushes right up now and trying to not let Finn Harps out.
So
and
Kerry ball.
Giving it to Kerry.
Would have said that might have been a Harps ball if I'm not being biased, but we'll take it.
Definitely a Harps ball. Long throw in for Keller.
Shoot!
Sean McGrath looking to take
just fell awkward to him.
Yeah.
But Matt Keane is there.
Keane, yeah. And again, everybody in the Finn Harps half of the field. Rob Vasu, well done. Good control. Plays it back to McGrath. McGrath. Oh, what a turn, McGrath.
Oh, unlucky.
Well, Mr.
Did the hard
Flood would
work.
see that coming. And he's coming with it still. What a ball in. Kevin Williams has defended that. McKean is the head away. Oh, bounces. Done. And Kerry just a little bit panicky there just to get it clear. Well done. Throw for Finn Harps, and Finn Harps are going to take their time over it. One booked already for wasting time on the long throw in.
Kerry ball.
Kerry ball, yeah. McLaughlin just referee.
Tell him where to take it from, yeah.
Yeah, referee saying
He's been very exact on that
Domino.
tonight, in fairness.
well done, Ryan Keller. Looking for that pass in.
Brazzy's up.
Brozzy's up, yeah. He knows where Rob Vasu is because they played together for so long. Just
Kerry ball.
touch, Rob's touch there. We're zoomed in here on the screen, and it just hasn't gone for him tonight. You know, Leo Gax are looking for.
Oh, he's off.
He's offside.
Not by much, I'd say, but the offside flag is up.
Sean McGrath just talking to the referee. Here comes the rain,
That rain.
unfortunately. Where's the wind blowing? Is any wind blowing? No. Yeah,
Ryan Kelleher.
done. John, what way is the wind blowing? Kerry just trying to get an equaliser here, and we're into that.
Ball by Sam, picked out Leo, but as well defended.
We're into the final 10 minutes.
So, I think
Still Kerry FC nil, Finn Harps 1. And as you said before, there's nothing between them.
Yeah.
Nothing, just a kick of a ball between them at the moment. And we see last 10 minutes, see can Kerry get a goal back. Long ball then. Kevin Williams wins that in the air. Roland Tehan just launches up.
Oh,
Two
just
Kerry
Boatman
players
same
gone,
ball, yeah.
Well done, Sam. He's offside. So he'll get the free there. Kerry looking to take it quick there. Sam's looking to take it quick. Referee doesn't like where he's taking it from, so he needs to go back another 5 yards. And then he pushes it 5 yards. So. And referee's happy with it. Sam, long ball in there. Looking for Eaton Cost. Oh, good header. Good header by Watson. Good defending there. Eaton Cost looking for Kelleher.
Oh, it's
Leo
flicked on.
Gaxel get this. It's just again
calling for handball.
everyone around them.
We're a good bit away from it.
Sean McGrath tries to control that. Well done.
There's a counter attack on here for the Harps.
Counter, yeah. It won't get by Sam that way, I don't think.
Oh, hacked him down.
Keeping his hands out of his pockets, I think.
Yeah.
You know, I think that's blatant enough, isn't it?
Late enough, but we'll play on. All we want is the ball up this side of the pitch now, Ken, at this rate.
Yeah.
And they actually already launched it down with the help of that breeze.
Kelleher tried to win it in the air, but Brozzy get on to this. Heads it in.
Sean McGrath.
Sean McGrath.
Oh, look, it just didn't come off the
unlucky.
toe.
Just came off that. Side of the do. Again, there's a little bit of panic in both defences when it does come in. Do you know? Referee is now on the keeper. Into that final 10 minutes, and still Kerry FC 0. Finn Harps 1. Part our second half by Kerry FC. A few chances and good control, James Shukru.
Shuki itching to come on himself, I'd say.
Yeah. Run that midfield. Well done.
Just good running.
Oh, what a ball. Oh, unlucky.
Too much weight
Ran
on it.
away from him. Watson looking to put the ball into the box.
Oof.
Good defended by Kevin Williams and then by Ethan Cos. Leo Gaxa down here beside us. Well done, Ronan Tehan.
And to be fair to Wara, he's defended well against Leo Gaxa. They isolated that threat from Kerry, so well done to him on that.
And again, well done, Ronan Tehan. Nice ball. Brozzy looking now to get on it, looking for Rob Vasu. Rob will get on this.
And the
Come out to
pressure
close
on
him
him from
down.
the start.
Oh,
It's late again. And then
two
Ryan
legs.
Keller has brought down again. Seems a
Right,
small bit
yeah.
cynical at the moment.
Kevin Williams looking to get on the ball and play quickly, but yeah, ball's into Sean McGrath.
Oh, that
God.
just
Kevin
felt lucky
Williams
again
got
for
lucky
Kevin.
there. Ball for Rob Vasu. Good cross in now by Rob.
So, throw in.
And Mr. Flood there has prevented it. Corner going in. Long throw coming from Sam into the box.
Oh!
Don't know whether you get them in this league, but
No.
Eaton Cost now. Eaton Cost. Yes! Oh, that's a corner kick, yeah. Just a deflection there. Shot by Eaton Cost. Maybe the centre half has a bit of has the shooting boots on tonight.
Brozzy
Sean O'Keefe over Mr. Carter's head there. Watching the game.
having a word in his ear, is he?
Yeah, I don't know.
Brozzy swings one in.
What a ball in. Yes! Sam and a mercy. What a ball in by Brozzy. And Sam has got a head. Sam has got the head on the goal. What a goal, Sam.
Get in there, Sammy. What a header. And he's been coming in those games. He's been going for Lee Axworthy. He's up celebrating the whole lot.
Get on the other mic quickly. And it's a goal for Kerry FC
Goal
from Sam.
for Kerry FC, scored by number 18, Samuel Alatanusi.
Great ball in by Keane Brosnan from the corner. All came from a shot from our centre half. Eaton Cost got a deflection, and Brozzy, what a ball in. And it's Kerry 1, Finn Harps 1. A substitution coming in there for Finn Harps. Number 42, Matt Hutchinson gone.
Perhaps even the field number 42.
Matt
That's
Hutchinson.
Hutchinson.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, I didn't see the game on there. There's not many of them. 14. We're saying 14. Porter is coming on. Porter's coming on there for Matt Hutchinson. And the game's on again, and Kerry looking to try get a winner now.
What time is the goal, lads?
The goal was 86, yeah. Cross in. Well done, Kevin Williams. And we're back in the game after doing their administration. Kerry looking now to go, but McNamee has it. Looking for Wada. Wada looking to feints the cross and then plays it back. Sorry, it's McCallion. McCallion on it. Flood makes the run, but doesn't pick him out. And it was a good run by Flood that time. But Finn Harps want to keep possession of the ball. Ball in, but he's offside.
As you say, Ken, you want to go hunt for a winner, but you also don't want to concede one either. So,
Oh, yeah. And I suppose
important couple of minutes.
I suppose second half, with all the pressure Kerry had, it was coming. Probably from an unlikely source of Sam. We thought maybe Leo or that, but from a set piece, brilliant ball in, and Sam has just hit that. Leo Gaxa there, fighting for the ball. Ball's gone, and it's coming in the window. Looking for the ball again.
a goal, of course, that was made in the Kerry FC Academy over the years with Brozzy swinging in the corner. So well done to the Kerry FC Academy in the last couple of years.
Eaton.
You know, you say there, Samuel Andanusi, I mean, an unlikely source, but he's always been up there for the corner. Every time he's tried to get a header on target side, or just gone over his head, or just nicked the post, or whatever, you know, he's come so close from corners. It's great to see him get off the mark.
I won't take it against the lad, but what a ball in by Brozzy, do you know?
Oh, no,
he
absolutely,
just put it on his head, do you know?
Put it on the play. Could it have been maybe better defended by Harps? The
Look,
corners are just tough to...
You know yourselves.
We're offside.
We know better with set pieces how when balls are whipped in of that quality, it's very hard to defend. But Sam has got a run on the defender and he's just got up bigger than everybody and just planked it in. And there's nothing really you can do about that, you know. It's just you try. This is why they all try to body check and stuff like that, not to get their run on it, because when you're running, jumping, and you get standing jump, you're always going to, no matter how big you are, you're always with a run and jump, you're gonna leap higher than everybody else, like, you know. And it was just right on his head, and it was what a ball in. Sam was just giving away a free kick there.
See, if we could be a bit clever, maybe Sam could have stayed on that situation, but Finn Harps with a dangerous free now.
This is chance for Finn Harps here.
There'll be a minimum of 4 minutes at a time at the end of the second half. 4 minutes.
4 minutes, as you heard Ivan saying. 4 minutes and a half at a time here. Flood is on this. Ball in. Oh, and it's just gone wide, and it's a kick out. And again, it's Wara. He's thumping the ground. He's just said, unlucky. He said just to get back in his position. Again, 4 minutes at a time here, and again, very good second half by Kerry. A feisty affair and a physical affair. Well won, Ryan Kelleher. Brozzy chasing this down. Well done, Brozzy. It's gone very dark here this evening. And again, thanks for watching from where you are. And long ball. Got the crowd going there. Kevin Williams with a long shot, and the ball's just gone over it. Right? And I think everybody's happy with a point here because the supporters won't give them the ball back. Can we get no? They're not giving the ball back. No, there it is.
Obviously, the Kerry FC supporters have decided they're happy enough with the draw.
Now we've got
there's 3 footballs on the pitch now. No, obviously, look, it's again nothing between the teams, you say, and it's you know, probably a case of where, you know, a point was probably deserved tonight. Probably not a huge amount of shots on target, but the game has been fairly even, if you get me. But Finance probably had the better chances and looked the most likely of scoring. But like, I mean, when it comes to this, you know, a draw was probably the fairest result so far. But there's still another chance or two left in this one into injury time. But Lunds, that was late, and he's given the free this time.
Yeah, and Sam's gone down.
It's been happening, you know, the last maybe 15 or 20 minutes. Those kind of cynical late challenges have come in, and no matter what side of the house you're on, if they're late, they're late.
It's a case of it has been a physical affair, like, you know, Kerry have got stuck in here, Finn Harps have got stuck in as well, you know, and with the high pressure, he's given a yellow card.
Yellow card, yeah. It's probably been coming. Billy Bender into the notebook as they're waiting for Sam to get up, but of course he's off the pitch, so Kerry told to keep going. I
don't know what you think about this, but is when someone gets a free like that and they're off the pitch and they're told to keep going. Now they're playing 10 against 11, and it's against their favour, even though hold on,
it's against our favour, but and Leo's at the back post. If we could just have picked him out, but they're going to counter attack now. Get there, Ethan. Well done, Ethan Coss, and throw it up the pitch. Lee Axworthy, well done. He's pushed in the back. It's a blatant push.
Yeah.
You're not going to get them, as you say.
Yeah, but he will give it.
And then he'll give it there then.
Yeah, and that's the thing, like, you know, it's again floods over this one.
You would imagine this is last chance saloon for Finn Harps to leave with more than a point out of Mount Top Park. It's dangerous position for referee as Ronan's pulled back in,
And this has to be well defended and
need
cleared.
to defend well
yeah.
here now. It's a great ball in by Flood.
He's put
There's
it
a
up
floater.
high in the air. Oh, they've won it and they've scored and they've won the game. Billy Banda has scored. Absolutely kicking the teeth for Kerry. It's tough to take that, but and again, as we were saying, it was probably a free to Ryan Kelleher before that. It wasn't given. Then it was given to Flood.
He's just gonna blow it up now, you'd imagine.
Yeah.
He's gone over now to Dave Rogers into the book. Just the last set piece, just unlucky was the headed back across and headed home by Banda, but he's gonna probably blow this up now, you'd imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah, the yellow card for. It'd be very tough to get one now.
McKean there. Looks like it's last throw of the dice as the referee keeps going there.
He put up the free first to Finn Harps, but it's
very strange.
Their substitute porter. As Lee Axworthy is up to thump it up. Really is last throw of the dice now. So, can we do what Finn Harps did to us, Ken? It'll be
ball's into the box. Cleared by Finn Harps. And referee's gonna blow the whistle.
Didn't give it a second chance. It's a muse Mount Up Park in the end, but it's a win for Finn Harps.
Yeah, and it's tough to take to score in at a time, you know. But
one time, Kerry FC 1, Finn Harps 2.
Finn Harps go away with 3 points here and a feisty game, and it's look, the Kerry boys have to be happy with their second half performance again. Very, very good. Got back into the game and won all, and then was conceded in the last couple of seconds of the game. We said there was a free beforehand, and Ryan Kelleher wasn't given. And there was a fight here. Fight happening here. And just a few guys have just lost their head. So guys have lost their head here.
Yeah, everyone's in now.
Tell them to go.
Look, but see, look, that your Finn Harps player. Look at them sprinting in. Look, the thing's over and they're running. They're over thanking their fans after making the trip down, and they come sprinting in. Like, I mean, absolutely no need for it. But don't know what happened there in the end. But the referee is
we were just talking.
Standing back. It's hard to know would he do anything after the full-time whistle here. It's possible. There's
again,
another scrap going on.
There's more. And
look, we're just going to come away from this because Dave Rogers isn't happy either. But look at this point at the end. You don't like seeing that there at the very end either. And with that, look, it's been a sporty enough occasion. A couple of, as you say, look, late tackles, everything else were going in. But the referee dealt with as many as he possibly could. But now No, look, you don't want to see this, though. This is just getting messy now. Look, we'll.
Shoot, but like, do you know.
No, I'm going to come away from this. It's not nice to see. Look, again, look, Finn Harps got their late goal and got their win in the end. And
then,
look, it's just.
And when the referee rolls the whistle, that's it.
That's it. Yes, it's over. Look, take the applause to the crowd and head away home again. But Finn Harps heading home with the 3 points. Ken, we'll be back against Waterford, of course, on Friday evening. Away from home. Then we're back here on the bank holiday Monday. And look, on a final note, I wanted to finish off with saying, look, the very best of luck to the Kerry footballers, of course, on Saturday and Sunday. The ladies on Saturday evening, the footballers on Sunday in Croke Park in the All Ireland final. And look, they've given us great support in this Kerry FC project, and we wish them all the very best over the weekend again as well.
The Dublin team, the best of luck. No, both teams, best of luck.